Hello everyone, good morning. So in last lecture we have studied about the ultrastructure of cell. We study that cell wall is made up of different kind of microfibrils and these microfibrils may differ in their length but their diameter are almostly same. Their diameter are 100 to 200 angstrom. So today we will study that how the cell wall is formed. We will study that the different part which help in the formation of cell wall are primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, tertiary cell wall and middle lamella. So today we will going to study about the primary cell wall. Primary cell wall, this is the first formed and secreted by protoplasm on either side of middle lamella. Listen. Primary cell wall is formed by the protoplasm which is present inside the cell. That protoplasm secretes the primary cell wall. After that, middle lamella is the thin, tender and elastic layer which is present between the primary cell wall of one cell and primary cell wall of another cell. It means the middle lamella is the connective between the two cells and it helps in the transfer of chemicals from one cell to the another cell. Next point is additional material are absent in it. It means that in primary cell wall additional materials like lignin, suberin, these are absent. Next point is initially microfibril are not properly arranged, but with maturity of the cell, these microfibril arrange themselves slowly in length. It means when the plant is young one and the cells are young one, they are going to differentiating and new cells are going to form at that particular time. The cell wall, which is primary cell wall, is not properly visible because the cell wall is young and microfibrils are not arranged properly. So after some time when the young cell get matured, at that time microfibrils arrange themselves according to their length and the primary cell wall is going to be visible. And after that we will study about the secondary cell wall. Before the secondary cell wall, we will study the 3D structure of primary cell wall. In 3D structure of primary cell wall, that is on your screen now, middle lamella is present on the upper side. After that primary cell wall is present. After that plasma membrane is present. As we studied before that the plant cell is formed by the two cell walls. Outer cell wall, that is dead, that is made up by the primary or the secondary cell walls, and inner cell wall, that is called as the plasma membrane, that is living cell wall. So here everything is clear. This is 3D structure, it's just for you guys. So middle lamella is the uppermost layer which help in transfer of the chemicals or help in signaling or messaging from one cell to the another cell, which will be present adjacent to this cell. In primary cell wall, pectin, cellulose, microfibrils, hemicellulose, soluble proteins are present, which you are able to see now on your screen. So the next one is the secondary cell wall. So in secondary cell wall, we will comes to know that secondary cell wall is formed by the decomposition of the lignin, suberin and chitin on the primary cell wall. It means in early stage we can't differentiate between primary and secondary cell wall because there is no lignin and suberin deposition at that particular time. After cell get mature, secondary cell we will able to see the secondary cell wall. Next point is the cellulose fibrils arranged parallel in this cell wall and embedded in hemicellulose and lignin. Means cellulose fibrils get arranged around the hemicellulose and lignin, and they form a compact structure and lengthwise arranged in between the cell wall. After that, the next point is in mature cell it is visible distinct 9 to 10 micrometer thick layer. After the secondary cell will get mature, it will be able to visible up to 9 to 10 micrometer thick layer. Next one is the secondary cell wall further divided into 3 layers. It means that the secondary cell wall is further divided into 3 layers, and these layers are S1, S2 and S3 layers. In these 3 layers, S1 and S3 layer are thin layers, but S2 layer is a thick layer. Most of the part of secondary wall is having S2 layer. In S2 layer, lignin suberin decomposition take place. As we see in the diagram, middle lamella is present on the outermost side, and after that primary cell wall is present. After that S3 and then S2 and then S1 layer is present, and in between a lumen is present. So it's enough for today. Next we will see in the next video. I know that yesterday you feel some trouble during watching the video because camera was not stable, but today there is no any such kind of problem. So I hope you will feel good today. So thank you. In next video we will study about the difference in between the primary and the secondary cell wall, and then we will study about tertiary cell wall, and after that we will study about the middle lamella. Okay, thank you.